Welcome to my channel. Here, I'm going to teach you how to evaluate this expression right here on the board correctly. Now, I will the question down here. We have 18 divided by 3 plus 4 multiplied by 2 minus 5. Here, some persons will simplify this in this form. We have 18 divided by 3 plus here 2 times 4 times 2, that gives 8 minus 5. When simplify this far, I have 18 divided by 3 plus here 8 minus 5, that gives 3. Then at this point, have 18 divided by 3 plus 3, that gives 6. Then here 18 divided by 6, that gives 3. But this answer is wrong. This is a wrong approach. Now, still in the same expression, some persons will simplify it like this: 18 divided by 3 plus 4 multiplied by 2 minus 5. Here you have 18 divided by 3, that gives 6, plus 4 times 2 minus 5. Then at this point we have here 6 plus 4, that gives 10, multiplied by 2 minus 5. Then right here you have 10 times 2, that gives 20 minus 5. Then 20 minus 5, that gives 15. But this answer is still wrong. But as such, this is still a wrong approach to this. Now, to solve this correctly, we are going to have this. You bring this down: 18 divided by 3 plus 4 multiplied by 2 minus 5. Here we are going to apply PEMDAS. Here we have this PEMDAS, or we use BODMAS. Now we are going to consider here, we don't have parentheses, no exponents. We have multiplication and division. We have addition and subtraction. Then first, we are going to consider multiplication and division. Here, from this equation, multiplication and division have the same precedence. When as such, the operation is carried out left to right. When as such, you are going to first of all consider division before multiplication and addition and subtraction here. Now first, you're going to have this 18 divided by 6, 18 divided by 3, that will give us 6 here, and we have plus 4 multiplied by 2 minus 5. Then the next step to consider is multiplication, and we are going to have this 6 plus 4 times 8, 4 times 2, that gives us 8 minus 5. Then at this point, Addition and subtraction say have the same order. You can either add or subtract. You still get the same answer. But as such, we are going to have a 6. 8 minus 5, that gives us 3. We have a plus 3. Then lastly, we add. We have this 6 plus 3, that gives us 9. And this is the correct answer to this expression right here on the board. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.